I know we're all still processing 2020, but you guys, it's 2022 now, and we've got to get our lives back on track. Garmin Smartwatches keep you in check as you stick to your New Year's resolutions. How's it going, everyone? I'm Devin Howard, back again with another episode of Unbox This. If you want to find me on Instagram, I'm there as @DevinHoward. Alright, so we are officially in the midst of 2022, and I think we could all use a little boost of motivation when it comes to sticking to our resolutions. The Garmin Smartwatches make it easy to stay focused and committed. Today I'm getting into the Garmin Venu and the Garmin Instinct Solar Smartwatches. Both devices provide you with super valuable insights into your health and fitness, while also keeping you connected with message alerts, news notifications, and more. The whole world will be right at your wrist with these intelligent devices, so let's get them out of the box. It is time to unbox this. We have two products to unbox today, so I'm not going to waste any time. Let's jump right in with the Instinct Solar Watch. Okay, there's the watch. This looks very adventurous. It's pretty intense looking. I feel like you can put it through a lot. Let's take it out of its little case here. This is definitely the kind of watch that you wear when you're doing a super intense trail run or you're going camping. This is not what you wear to a fancy, sophisticated restaurant. It just has this kind of intense, durable look to it, which is great if you plan on doing some really adventurous things. Now we have a peel moment, so let's take this off here. Nice big watch face. This looks pretty cool. Here we have the charging cable. This here is your quick start manual. And this is all the important safety and product information. Let's move on to the Garmin Venu 2S. Ooh, wow, okay, this one, right out of the box, you can tell, is definitely more sleek than the Instinct Solar Watch. Let's take it out of its little packaging. I really like the way this one looks. I like the color of the band here. I just think it's very neutral and kind of modern. It looks really nice, goes with any outfit. And this is the kind of watch you could wear into a nice restaurant, and it may not be the watch you take with you on a 10-day camping trip. But we do have a peel moment here, so let's do that. Yeah, that's a really nice watch face there. I like the way this one looks. It's very pretty. Here we have the charging cable, another quick start manual, and the important safety and product information. So that's what we've got in the box, you guys. There's not a ton going on here. There's not a lot of extra accessories. You just get your watch, you get the charging cable, and honestly, you don't need many other accessories with these watches because they come with so many really cool features. I'm gonna tell you all about those in just a sec. I'm gonna just clear off this table. Let's start off by talking about the Instinct Solar Smartwatch. Now this one is definitely more rugged looking. It's built with military standard toughness, so you can go wild and not worry about breaking or damaging your device. The fiber reinforced polymer case and scratch resistant Corning Gorilla Glass screen means this watch is basically like the Hummer or Jeep of smartwatches. It's super tough and durable and can be the perfect companion the next time you go for a 20-hour hike or you decide to go paraglide off a cliff. I don't know what you guys do in your free time to need a watch this intense, but just know I admire you for it, and he's got your back. It's perfect for the outdoorsy person. It comes with solar charging, giving you an extra long battery life, especially if you're outside all day. It can actually stay powered on for 54 days in smartwatch mode without ever needing a charge. Like other smartwatches available, you can monitor your heart rate and pulse, but this one also tells you how much stress you're putting on your heart through heart rate variability tracking. I wonder what that would have looked like when I was going through my last breakup. Probably not good. The Body Battery Energy Monitor is a great tool to let you know if you need to have a rest day or an active day. It measures your stress, sleep, heart rate, and other data, and will tell you if you need to get your butt out of bed for an intense workout or if you have finally earned a day of some good old R&R. And then for our super adventurous friends out there, you get multiple global navigation satellite systems to track whatever environments you're in, as well as ABC sensors, including an altimeter for elevation data, weather information, and a compass. Trackback routing helps you keep track of your trail, making your return journey easy. You also get smart notifications like emails, texts, and alerts right on your wrist. So if you're rugged, rough, and ready for a bit of a risk, the Garmin Solar Instinct watch is your best companion. But let's talk about the Venu, which is a little more refined and delicate in its appearance. This smartwatch is better for the gym rat. It gives you all the health and fitness info you could want from a sleek, modern wristwatch. The stainless steel bezel and Corning Gorilla Glass watch face mean this watch is durable enough to go with you from spin class to yoga without worry. You get all the health tracking you'd expect from a watch like this, including the body battery energy monitoring, stress tracking, hydration tracking, women's health monitoring, breathing, sleep, heart rate, and your fitness age. Fitness age uses your chronological age, your weekly vigorous activity, resting heart rate, and BMI to estimate if your body is younger or older than you are. That honestly sounds absolutely terrifying to me. I'm in my 20s, but something tells me this watch is going to tell me I'm like 75 years old. Luckily, this watch also doubles as your personal trainer. Animated on-screen workouts guide you through a variety of exercises like cardio, strength, yoga, Pilates, and HIIT. You also can use Garmin Coach, which acts as your personal running coach. Did you, for some reason, vow to run a half marathon in 2022? I don't understand you, but Garmin Coach can help you get there. If you're just not into the on-screen workouts, you can track your own fitness routine and select from a list of built-in sport apps. If you need a little help reaching your fitness goals, these Garmin Smartwatches can help you. Whether you're braving a new mountain trail or just getting your flow on in yoga, these smartwatches will track your activity and keep you connected throughout 2022. You guys want to check them out? Take a look at the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. Let me know what kinds of workouts you would track using your Garmin smartwatch in the comment section below. I'm Devin Howard. Thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye, guys.